Islamic funds in Malaysia. Malaysia has been at the forefront in structuring Sharia-compliant financial products and Islamic fund management, which were expected outcomes given the rise of the Islamic capital market. The Security Commission was instrumental in developing the Islamic capital market by setting standards for the classification of products and participants, as well as composing a legal framework in terms of the Sharia guidelines. As per statistics recorded post-2015, Malaysia is leading the Islamic finance world in several aspects. 54% of global sukuk outstanding, around 314 Sharia-compliant investment funds, amounting to ringgit Malaysia 100 billion, and an Islamic capital market that comprises of 60% of the total Malaysian capital market. Malaysia's Islamic capital market and asset management industry are highly supported by the government, which provides tax incentives to attract capital into the Islamic finance realm, as well as capacity building and a Sharia advisory council. It is focused on promoting Malaysia as a major Islamic finance hub in the initiation, distribution, and trading in the Islamic capital market and asset management industries. Malaysia also possesses foreign fund management expertise due to global players choosing to consider the country as a center for Islamic asset management procedures. A 5-year Islamic fund and wealth management blueprint has been launched as a tool to accomplish 3 strategic thrusts: to cement Malaysia's position as a hub for Islamic funds by 2021, to propel the country as a provider for wealth management services on an international scale, to enable the country to serve as a regional center for sustainable investments. The blueprint sets out 11 recommendations for the desired goals to be achieved by 2021. They focus on the continual growth and innovation of the industry, shedding light on opportunities for domestic and international collaborations, widening the scale, as well as promoting private equity growth and facilitating efficient market access. The plan also involves adapting to new digital business models, products, services of asset management, the development of an effective market infrastructure for alternative strategies, and enhancing talent potential for wealth management. Blueprint states that in order to develop Malaysia's Islamic fund managers' global capability and appeal to various investors, an investment fund is to be established for which the details will be key. The Securities Commission has also made mention of sustainable and responsible investing in Malaysia, which does not require a vast amount of effort. Sharia-compliant and SRA portfolios generally intersect, with the exception of Islamic banks' prohibition on interest. The Malaysian government has recently made an announcement of its plan to create the first-ever capital fund for Islamic ventures to support Muslim entrepreneurs globally. The fund will be under the responsibility of Malaysia Venture Capital Management, the state finance arm, in association with the Islamic Development Bank, both of which will sign a memorandum of understanding in Indonesia. An initial fund size of $100 million is being sought. This has the potential to raise Malaysia's per capita income.